Yo, what's up? It's your boy Currency 365. Hope you guys are doing well. Legends never die, they stay in our hearts. If you want to support us, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also you can come down here and hit the join button under the video or in our channel section. And you can also join our Patreon, patreon.com/currency365. And we also have Cash App and also PayPal for supports if you want to sow some seeds. Peace out. God bless. Enjoy the video and keep the movement going. Legends. Bye. All right, all right. Welcome back to Currency 365. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, so next video here on Margex is to put a $1 buy and also a $1 sell. So you have to go here, pick the token you want. I'm going to pick Bitcoin, but you can pick from all the tokens you want. You saw the last video where we look at all the tokens that are on Margex. And we can scroll all the way down to all of the tokens here that are on Margex here. All right, so these are all the tokens that are on Margex. So you can pick from whatever one that you want, right? And I'm going to stick with Bitcoin here, and we're going to put a, sell signal. If you want to go to indicators, you can use the MACD lines, and then you can just put MACD and in here, and it'll pop up, right? So MACD, there it is, and then it's right there. I already have it, so you can add the MACD for your buy signals and sell signals. Triggers here, of course, they don't work all the time. Everything doesn't work that way. It's not that easy, of course, but and even all the indicators out there, it doesn't work 100% of the time. Nothing works 100% of the time because the markets are alive and real people are trading as well, right? So I know there's a lot of bots and algorithms that are trading, but real people are also trading, and you don't know when somebody's going to sell $7 billion worth of crypto, right? So, or buy $7 million worth of crypto. You can think, oh man, let me go. Everything's bearish here, and then boom, somebody comes in with a $7 million leverage buy, and then to the upside, and you get wrecked and then liquidated quickly, right? So, that does happen. So you have to understand that when you're playing this, it can go up, it can go down. All right, so we're on isolated. We don't want to do cross chain. We want to do isolated because if we spend $1, we only can lose $1. If we spend $100, we can only lose $100. We can't lose the money in your account. So if you have $5,000 in your account and you do $100 on this trade, you can only lose $100. You can't lose $5,000. You can't, just because you were a liquidator, right? So it's a good thing. All right, so isolated, and then I never do market. I always do limit. So you put the limit order in, and then you can see by the price that it is now, or you could just put one in on your own. And we'll do a $1, and so because $1, we're doing 100x leverage, it's 100, right? So and then that will give you $1, right? So you got $1 in, 99 dollars is borrowed money or money from the other people on here, and $1 is yours, right? And so then you just we're going up now, so I might as well do it now while we're going up. Can we get in? Oh man, that we were right here, and so we needed to pull back to get in. You see, so when it's running like that, you got to try to catch it. And a lot of people just do a market buy to try to catch it. You get a bad position. You would get the top position there on market buy, but or you could just wait for it to pull back and get. But nice, we did get a buy signal that triggered there on the MACD line, so up it's going here. Now let's do a $1. And we're going to do 100x leverage. So this is the leverage. You can do 5x, whatever, 100x leverage, and we're going to do a $1 sell. All right, so we're shorting. We're shorting Bitcoin here, even though it has a buy signal in it, so that's not really good to do. But okay, so we have our buy order in here at this price, and we have our sell limit order, and we're going up. So now we are in the short position, but we're not in the buy position. So let me see if we can catch a buy position here, and we're gonna go with a buy position. And I'm not still catching the buy position. The buys are going through the roof here. So Bitcoin is not letting me buy because the buy orders are way at the bottom, right? So let me cancel. So how you cancel? You go to your active orders and just hit cancel. It's very this site is very easy to use, and you can see I'm getting annihilated in my short position already. So um should we buy here? Let's see. Let's try to buy Bitcoin here at 100x leverage. Hey, we got in. So we're in after, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles. So that's not really a good buy there, but it is what it is, right? So we're just doing this for fun. It's only $1. We're risking $1 here, so not much going on, right? So as you can see here, so risking $1. And hey, I'm up on one of them. Which one? I'm up on the buy. I'm not up on the sell. I'm down almost 5% on the sell, but I'm up 1% on the buy. Right, so you can see how that is. So if this thing comes flushing down, maybe we'll make some money here. And you can see the unrealized gain is 6 cents. So that was the fees to buy it, and the unrealized gain so far is 2 cents. That was the fees to buy, right? So there's a fee to buy and there's a fee to sell, right? Okay, so just we're just watching it here, and you can see Bitcoin's at 68,266 and down 1.12% today, and just watching and waiting. That's all we're doing now. So we're in, and we're just watching and waiting. Now, of course, here on Margex, you have your they tell you exactly where you bought and where you sold. I mean, where you bought and where you short, and so you can keep that, or you can take it off if you want to as well. You don't really need it when you have this down here. Okay. But you can just use it if you want to, or you can take it off. And for some reason, Bitcoin has stopped. It looks like it stopped trading or something. I don't know what's going on here. Did Bitcoin stop trading, or nobody's buying and selling? Let's see here. 261 million. Okay. So let's go here and let's go to Ethereum and see if Ethereum is. Hey, Ethereum's working. So let's go back to Bitcoin and see what happened with Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin's working now. Okay, so it might have been a bug or something. I don't know. So let's see. It could have been a bug. All right, you can see that the volume's moving here. So Bitcoin's trading, and we're still to the upside here. Um, so I'm not sure. 28,000. Yeah, something's wrong with the charts. The chart's not moving. So that's really interesting. The chart's not really. You can see here 28,600. Okay, so let's try to refresh. Let me see if I can refresh this, and maybe that will help out. Okay, that was okay. That worked. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure what that was. It looks like it was a little bit. I'm not sure what was going on there. And you can see I'm down 11% now, 11 cents on the short, but my long is up 8 cents here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close out the short for a simple loss here. We can do a limit and close that out if we can. If we can get out of there. Um, let's see if we can get out of the limit order. You could also do a market just to get out of it. You could do a market since it's only $1. You know what I mean? So there's a market buy, a market sell. So I'm out of that for a loss. A nice little 20, maybe 10, 15, 20 cents loss when you add in the fees there. And then now we have our long position that's going crazy here. Well, not crazy on price. We're up 9 cents. We put $1 in. We're up 9 cents. We're almost up 10 cents here. And you can see that we put $1 in because you can see that when we're at 9 cents and I mean, at 9% and we're at 9 cents. So 9% of $1 is 9 cents, right? So at 10 cents we'll be at 10 cents, right? So all right. So yes, we put it said, well, I see $100 there. Yeah, $100, but $1 is mine. It's 100x leverage. So $1, and then you add 2 zeros is $100, right? So $1 is actually mine, and the rest of it is borrowed. Okay, so that's how leverage works. You know, It is what it is. So you can make some money very quickly here, and you can also lose money, as you can saw, very quickly if you go the wrong way. That's what the MACD lines are very important there. It had a buy signal. There was no reason to put a short in there, but we were just showing example, right? So so the long is going. We will cash out the long here with a 9% win if we see anything trying to go to the downside here. I'm going to quickly get out if it's not pumping anymore. It looks like it's stopping here, or it might have reached the top here. So let's get out. So once we think we reached the top here, yeah, we just get out. And so there you go. That was a 9% win. And we had so we probably had I don't know. We had a loss on the day, right? So, we had a loss on the day, but it is what it is. So that was just an example on how to do a simple $1 buy with 100x leverage. Okay, so you guys can do whatever you want on here. You can fund your account, and let's see here. Here's your wallet, right? So you got settings, referral, wallet, copy trading. You can copy other people's trading, and you can also trade. And then you can have your wallet. You can send Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, whatever, right here, and then you can start with leverage trading immediately, right? So, you guys saw me. I made couple weeks ago, I went long on literally like 10 different trades to the long side on Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Solana, and some other ones, and they all panned it out like they were all hit like 1,000% each. But only problem was that I was only trading with like 5 to 10, $15. You know what I mean? So 1,000% on the $15 is $150, right? So it's great, but it's not gonna move the needle, you know. Anyways, so it is what it is. All right, so and here comes Bitcoin back to the downside. I could have put a short position right here and made some money. So let's see if we can get a quick short here on Bitcoin to the downside, and let's see if Bitcoin's going to continue to go down, or does it pop right back up? I should have put it right. I should have put it at the top, right? So when I was talking to you guys, should have put a short right there on Bitcoin, and caught it on the way down here. I would have been up, but of course I'm only spending $1, so it doesn't really help. But it is what it is. All right, so let's see if Bitcoin's gonna come down and make some money. I got 6 cents. Realized unrealized loss so far is 6 cents. That's my trading fee. That's my trading fee for that buy or for that short that I just did. And so now, oh no, it's going back up. No. So that one drop got everybody in, and then it goes right back to the upside, right? So tricky, tricky, tricky Bitcoin here, right? So you can see here, Bitcoin went down, and then it continued, and then here it went right back to, it didn't flush again. It took back down here. It went right back to up. So let's see. Let's look at the chart here, and let's see if Bitcoin is going to continue to the upside, or if it's going to next candle is going to flush it right back down here to the 68. All right. So that's what's going on, folks. Hope you guys are doing well. And this is Margex. Links in the description if you want to join Margex and start trading and funding. I think I got is it 25 people? 25 people are on here, and I think I got 10. I think I got 10 people that are active on here. About 10 people that are active on here, and they're trading. Hopefully they're doing good. I haven't really heard from them, but hopefully they're doing good. Hopefully they're making money on here. And man, this would have been crazy right here if I had gone long. Imagine going long here with like $1,000 and or like $1,000, which is, and then you put 100x to that, and so now you're borrowing $100,000 here, and you get it all, and then you get out right here. That would have been crazy. That would have been I just thought about it. That would have been a nice gain here, right? So yeah, Bitcoin's still going to the upside a little bit here, so I'm gonna have to be patient on this $1 trade here. Psych. Let's get out of this thing, man. And then as soon as I get out, guess what? It's gonna probably drop right back down. That's sometimes you're off rhythm, right? Sometimes the rhythm is off, and you just have to say, you know what, I'm just not going to trade today. And then sometimes your rhythm is on. You catch all the breaks, you catch all the bounces, and you do well. Know your rhythm in trading, right? And so I told you, if I had gotten out, it would have went straight to that because my rhythm is off, right? And I can tell, right? So when my rhythm is off, I don't trade. I don't trade when I barely trade when my rhythm is off, right? So make sure you, and look, I'm in the green now, but make sure you know when your rhythm is off and on, right? So I told you guys the moment I hit the market sell, or limit sell, it would drop down in the red bar, and I just waited. I started talking to you guys, waited, and boom, it hits, and it is what it is, right? So, but anyways, it is what it is. Let me get out of this trade. I'm still in the red on this trade, even though it did flush a little bit there. Here comes the sell signal, so maybe I won't get out of this trade because here comes the sell signal now. Looks like it's topped out a little bit here. So here comes the sell. Let's see if the MACD lines can cross over. I'm keeping you guys way too long here, but I want to see if the MACD line is going to cross to a sell signal here and see if it flushes here back down or not. So, but yeah, there it is. It's trying to flush, trying to get a sell signal here on the MACD lines after a massive buy signal there on Bitcoin. So, trying to get a sell signal here and on a daily, on the not daily, but the minute chart. Using the minute chart, you can use whatever chart you want. I like the minute chart for Margex and the leverage trading. I like the so here comes the sell signal on the MACD line, and you can see the money in here as well is going to the bear side now, right? So the green candles are gone. They went to white, and then now we're going to the red candles, and you can see that we're getting a sell signal here, but waiting to see what's going on here. You can see the prices, and really they're fighting it out. The bulls and bears are fighting it out right here. So no, not much action on the minute chart here. Waiting it out here. So I'm up 1 cent. What am I gonna do with that? I don't know. So just waiting for either the bulls to take over or the bears to take over here. We got a sell signal trying to trigger here, and there's no bears. So if there's no bears, then the bulls should try to take over here and try to make it go a lot higher and ignore the sell signal there. So the sell signal did trigger, but there's no bears. So there you go. I'm out. Peace out. God bless. I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.